Hello YouTubers, it's your girl Nancy. I am back with another review video. I am so excited about this video because I think I found a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills gel brow thingy. You know, you don't have to go ahead and go spend all this bunch of money on this little Anastasia Beverly Hills container. I think is the same as this container right here, and I'm telling you, this is a dupe. My sister bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills one and I do like it, but this was a lot cheaper. I got these from AliExpress and I'm telling you, they are so bomb, especially the one in chocolate. It's life, like literally it is life. Do one eyebrow with chocolate and the other one with dark brown, just so you guys can see the difference. I've been told that chocolate look a little bit more purplish than the dark brown, or dark brown. One of them looked purplish. I think it was dark brown that looked purplish, and chocolate was the perfect match. So I'm going to compare these to the Anastasia Beverly Hills an eyebrow gel, because my sister have the same one that she got from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I thought that it looked very much the same. So definitely a dupe for that one. I'm not trying to get Anastasia Beverly Hills out of business, but I'm just saying, if these work for me, why spend all that money on Anastasia Beverly Hills when I can get this for less than $5? I'm just saying, right? Especially for my college students and people that don't have it like that. Girl, I'm telling you, this is the bomb, ziggity bomb. Like, Anastasia is about to go out of business. I don't care. So on this brow right here, this is my right side. Okay, so on my right side I'm gonna do chocolate, and on my left side I am going to do dark brown. So dark brown 03 and chocolate is 02. So glad that I have a sister or sisters that will tell me how it is. They were like, girl, you look crazy with that purple ass eyebrow. And I'm like, oh, y'all trying to play me. But yeah, it did look purple, and I didn't notice it until she brought my attention to it, and I was like, oh girl, that does look like, it's like real purple. As you can tell already, this does look purple. This is a dark brown, which surprisingly doesn't look dark brown, looks dark purple. And then this one is with chocolate, which perfect match. I love it. So yeah, that's the difference between the two colors. So I definitely recommend that you get the chocolate. Do not get the dark purple unless you are in for that dark purple. Then go ahead and do you, boo. But for me, I'm definitely gonna stick with the chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead with a concealer. The concealer that I'm gonna use, which I always use, is the Black Opal. This is the Black Opal Hazel, the foundation stick. This one I'm gonna use to clean up my eyebrows. And I like this because I do like the LA girls too, but it's just, this is just easier for me because you just literally just open it up and dip your brush in there and get to cleaning. And it's also really important that you use a color that is very close to your own skin tone, so you're not doing too much blending. I love this eyebrow gel, and it was so affordable. Okay, 2018, let's not spend money on things that we don't need to spend money on. If you are going to waste money on something, let it not be makeup, because there's so many inexpensive makeup that do the same thing as these expensive ass brands. Okay, so this obviously is chocolate. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this mess right here, this purplish mess right here, this is dark brown. Get you friends and sisters that will tell you the truth, so you're not out here looking crazy with purple ass eyebrows on, okay? But I am going to clean this off and finish the other eyebrow off camera. So I finished both eyebrows off camera. This is the end result. Don't it look nice? Don't it look nice? Look really nice. I feel like this even came out a lot better than this one, but like I always say, your eyebrows are never gonna be the same. You just hope that they look similar and they're not two totally different colors. But these look pretty good, and I am pretty much happy with the result. And yeah, so anyway, that was it. That was my eyebrow review of the Color eyebrow gel. I'm telling you, these are so freaking bomb. Like, they have made my eyebrow. Look at my eyebrows. Just look at it. I mean, where's the lie? Where is the lie? These are so nice. So if you want to get it, I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Love you.